Choco lets chefs and managers order from all their suppliers in one app. Here's how it works. When you open the app, you'll see all your suppliers on one screen. You click on any of them to see a simple group chat with your team and your sales rep. To make a new order, you click the shopping cart to see your digital order guide for that supplier. First, you go down the list and pick the products you need. Next, you add a delivery date and any other comments. When everything is ready, you tap to send. Your supplier gets your order with all the information they need and the way they want to receive it, via email, text, WhatsApp, or directly to their ERP system. You'll get notified when your order is confirmed. Join over 15,000 chefs and managers for easier ordering with Choco.